are the Robotics Exhibition Group. Today we're going to be sharing our knowledge about robots. First, let's introduce ourselves. So we are three girls named Noor, Mia, and Esther. Since we all like robots and programming them, we thought it'd be fun and educational to teach younger kids how to code their own robot as our action. Our main problem is robots taking over human jobs, especially in the corona case right now. If you'd like to learn more, please join us throughout the whole clip.
In 2016, Bank Audi created a human-like robot. This robot's name is Navin and can guide the customers throughout the bank's tour. This robot can tell people's feelings by looking at that person and can also introduce the customer to the bank's new products.
Let's learn a bit about Tiny. Tiny is an educational robot from the age range of 3 to 5 years old. Kids have to build the map of a city, and Tiny will have to go to a specific spot they want to. They're gonna build a little puzzle of movements and emotions. So for example, they want to go to the hospital, for example. Tiny is gonna have to go through that pattern that they built, and it will take him directly to the hospital. So first he might go forward, turn, and there is blocks specified for each movement and each emotion. So he would not want to go to the hospital feeling happy and excited to get a checkup. Usually kids are sad, so that he'd had an emotion of sadness. So Tiny is a educational robot that helps kids with path leading and building blocks.
Lebanon, we have a lot of robots, but we're mostly known for the robots that work in schools and the robots that work in surgeries and in hospitals. Soon, robots are going to start even coming to our houses and start cleaning our house, and that's obviously going to affect our lives in a big way. Coronavirus. How artificial intelligence, technology, and robots helped China to fight the pandemic. Technology helped find the virus so they could fight it. Artificial intelligence helped determine the virus and detect it. In China, they used drones so they could make sure nurses are safe from the virus and also to check on their patients.
Know that robots are used to sterilize different food and supplies into each patient's room in hospitals, as well as robots are used to develop medicine to propose existing medicine that might be useful. And lastly, robots have developed advanced fabrics to offer protection in the healthcare system in China. How cool is that?
So if you didn't know, in China, there's a machine where you go inside of it and it doesn't let the coronavirus get to you or makes it go away. These machines are created by robots.
الروبوت التعليمي في لبنان. 1. من أهم استخدامات الروبوت التي تطورت في لبنان على مدار السنين استخدامه في المجال الروبوتي التعليمي. 2. يبدأ الطفل من عمر 5 سنوات في فهم برمجة الروبوت. 3. يساعد الروبوت الأطفال المرضى وذو الاحتياجات الخاصة. شكراً.
The aim of this study is to measure the satisfaction percent of using robots in our daily and educational lives. 64 participants participated in the questionnaire and we received the following results. 56% answered that yes, they do like robots. 45% think that robots will not take over our lives. 85% think that robots should not have feelings. 81% think that robots should not be considered as humans with rights. 57% of participants think that yes or maybe robots can help classrooms understand materials like science and math. 60% of participants think that yes or maybe technology in schools has advanced with advantages more than disadvantages. Reading all this data, we can conclude that the use of technology is a necessity in education since it can provide advanced means of classification and learning methods.
Hi, this is our flyer to help promote the eRobot Academy's platform in specializing on how to teach and train robot science and remote programming in a simplified and smooth way for ages, and it includes many multi-level lessons. If you'd like to learn more, please go follow them on their Facebook account and use these hashtags. And if you'd like to read this whole page about what it's going to be about, please screenshot it and save it to your device. We hope to see you there. Thanks for understanding and helping them.